Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can remove your YouTube search history from your mobile phone. So here you can see our YouTube channel, YouTube application, and now you have to go to the library in the right bottom corner, library. Okay, now you can see history here. This is the history. I'm going to click this and you can see it's loading, and this is the history we have watched. Okay, so if you want to remove just one or two video from your history, you can go here where we have gone, like these three dots on the corner of the video. I've clicked there. Again, you can see this. Now I clicked here and remove from watch history, the top option, this remove from watch history. So I clicked here and the video has been removed from our watched history. And if there is a video which you can find here in a lot of stuff, you can search the video here, like craziest. Okay, let's search the craziest. This is the craziest holy video on Vigo. I just remember the word craziest, or you remember the word Vigo, you can find here and you can remove it from your watch history. Okay, now go back to the history and it's loading again. Now you can see that craziest one has been removed. Now what you can do, if you want to delete complete history, like top corners, the top three corners here, and history control. Now you can see clear watch history and clear search history. So what you need to do is clear your watch history here. And you can also pause your watch history if you don't want to remove it again and again. You can pause your watch history. After that, you won't get any stuff in the history option. So whatever you will watch, the history won't be recorded. So clear your watch history. This first top option, this is showing my account and it's asking me to clear it or not. So I am going to clear watch history. So watch history has been cleared. You can go back and refresh. So this list has no videos. So this is all about the watch history. And if you need any other video like this, please let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.